Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today there's a card Thursday, and I want to show you a few new products, Stampin' Up products, some cards, some stamps, and some dies. So this I call the 3x3. It's a little card for a gift card. The little Ladybug. So the stamp set we're going to be used is the little Ladybug. The only way you can get this is during celebration. And what happens is if you order $300 or you have a party, you can contact me for an online party. We'll get one together. If you have a $300 party or an order, this comes free. You'll get this. So what else we're going to be using is we're going to be using Memento Black ink, and we are going to be using the Best Dressed 3x3 note cards that's in the January to June mini catalog. We're also going to be using a piece of Whisper White, and we're going to be using dark real red, dark real red Stampin' Blends. And these are the Ladybug dies that cut out the Ladybug shapes. And we are going to be using one of those. These are not available unless you're a demo in January. In February, you can buy these, and they will go with the little Ladybug set. So the first thing we want to do is we want to stamp with Memento Black the little Ladybug on Whisper White. Oh, and we're going to use a big shot too. And then we're just going to give that a second to dry, and while that's drying, I will clean this off. And then I'm just going to take my dark real red, and I am just going to color this in, okay? Now you can use your markers. You could do Stays On and do watercolor if you want. You could do this on real red and cut it out with do it with your black Memento. Now what we're going to do after we get this little Ladybug is we are going to then cut this out just like that. Go to the big shot, cut it out. Looks just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the Ladybug off, and we are going to put, see this great big flower? We're going to stamp that flower on the 3x3 card. And the cards come in a couple of different washes there. That's the Daffodil Delight wash. And it comes with the Petal Pink and the Purple Posy. There's the Purple Posy and the Petal Pink and the Daffodil Delight. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to take the Memento ink. Oh, and we're going to use Stampin Dimensionals on here. And we're just going to stamp this right on that 3x3 card. Quick, easy. Now we've already cut this out. We've got to find yep. There we go. Thought that was it. I just had them. As you all know, I just It just doesn't go well with me with finding everything I need, and they're not in there. I have my Stampin Dimensionals right here. Have to get out a new. So we're just going to put a couple Stampin Dimensionals on here. Now, you don't have to put any sayings on there, even though the stamp set, the Ladybug stamp set, has a lot of really cute sayings. I am just going to put the Ladybug right there. You can stamp one of the sayings either on here or just cut it out with a punch, or put it on the inside. Some of them are happy birthday, thank you, spread the wings and fly, you're cute as a bug, thinking of you, you're so sweet, and hey lady. But there it is, a quick, easy, fast card using the 3x3 dressed note cards and envelopes. Thanks for visiting. Oh, follow me on YouTube, and everything you need to purchase this is down below. Or make this is you can purchase down below. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.